Dustin, what are we doing, buddy? Are we gonna go do some drifts on the turn track?
We're gonna build a kids track.
Oh, we're gonna build a kids motocross track. Holy shit. Oh, we gotta pick up these. Are you guys coming? Oh, hold on, we're supposed to wait.
Why do you have the helmet on?
Because I can't record with anything else. I'm not rich. I don't got cameras like them fucking Axel Hodges and that Monster Energy. Whoa, what's up with this? Whoa.
Push them over.
No, stand it up tall.
No, you can't.
Oh.
Just the way I have the wire.
Well, then what the hell are we doing here?
Somebody's got to ride in the box.
No worries.
Okay, somebody's got. Oh, it looks like I'm riding in the box, boys.
You know what you're doing, right?
Oh yeah, I used to do stunts for shit in China. You know what you're doing, right? Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Not really. Dustin knows that I'm pretty good at this shit, so he's not gonna go easy. Woo! Whoa, I bet, where are we going? Oh, don't go on my own track. Oh, I see where we're going. There's a rule out here. No driving trucks on the track. Oh, okay, good. Imagine if we jumped it off that right there, though. Holy fuck. Woo! Aw, you pussy! Yeah, this is a redneck 4x4ing in a Dodge. I'm pretty sure the bumper fucking bottomed out on that. Yo, there's the new step. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, can you see it? Oh, look, see. Big step up, and then you land down here. Hip jump, see? From there, bam! Holy fuck. Yeah, so we're in a 2015 fucking Dodge Ram with the Fox shocks. This brings me back to China, boys. I wish I had some film for when I was riding in China, man. I did some crazy shit in China. China was fun. I got lit on fire like a good couple hundred times. That's not even a joke. Woo! Hell yeah! Alright, so we're gonna be building up this turn track up here. I built this a couple years back and it sucked. So we're gonna make it suck a little bit less. Burn out! Oh, the dog got roosted! Bella! I'm sorry, Bella! I love you, dog! Woo! Look at that! You gotta lean into it! Go, Bella! Get out of here! Dog! Okay, I'll face forward for a bit so you get a full lap of this. So this is how you build a turn track for the kids, boys. Listen to that Hemi power. All this shit sliding around in the back seat. Whoa, fuck. Gotta hold on. There's the old Ranger. Shit happens. Blow the diff, blow the diff. One wheel squealing it. Hell yeah! Woo! Fucking sliding around in the back seat. Whoa! Just about lost her there. Poor dog. She's like, what is going on? What is even happening right now? That was fun.
He's looking pretty big, boys.
That's how you build a turn track for the kids, boys.
No.
Oh, we're going the other way now. Hey, go. Get. Stay! Stay! Hey! Stay! Stay! She listens. Oh, she doesn't listen. She's like, fuck you, man. This is too much fun to not. Oh, there's a couple ruts. I'm like a little kid that can't stop fucking smiling right now. It's not over until we roll this bitch. Build a wall, 10 feet, 20 feet, 100 feet tall. Donald Trump, motherfuckers, 2020. Fuck Trudeau, fuck Justin Trudeau? I don't know, I just call him Trudum. Trudum's a lot better, but fuck that guy. Fucking liberals. Democrats, fuck you too. Fuck you, Democrats. Let's go backwards. See if I can do this backwards. I don't know how long I'm gonna do this backwards. Holy fuck! My dog is like, what is even happening right now? Oh, I can smell the transfer case just burning. Yeah, boy! Holy fuck! Oh shit! Oh, that fucking transmission is not liking it. Look, Mom, no hands! Oh, that didn't go well. Roost it! Oh, that was fucking great! Fuck yeah! That's how you build some fucking ruts, boys!
Kids are gonna love it!
Oh yeah! Just reel it with the mini bikes! Go, come here! You're a good dog!
Next time. I'm tired.
I can just smell that transfer case just through the churning.
Oh, it sounded like a baby cartridge and then they got vibrated back now.
Dude, you're roosting it like a good 50 feet out. The dog, the first one, wasn't ready for it. She wasn't ready! Like, it was like, where'd the dog go? Oh, she's loving it. Poor girl, though, with her hip. You got a bad hip, you 10-year-old pup.
I don't know if it's like a straight section we can break towards it.
No, leave it. Leave it. That's more than acceptable.
It's a good place for the kids to ride though now.
Oh, yeah. I can't believe how well that dug the ruts. Like, that's actually fairly fucking viable for building a turn track. You just need a Dodge Ram. Because, you know, the Chevy couldn't do it. And the Ford wouldn't even make it out here, so. Oh, shit, yeah. Build a wall. Build a wall. 10 feet, 20 feet, 100 feet tall. Build a wall. Build a wall. Brap. Brap, brap, brap. When you just don't give a shit about your transmission. It's a Dodge, okay? Like, Dodges are sick, but the transmissions and transfer case, come on, man. What are they built out of paper? Woo! Oh, look, a boat! No way, I'm gonna go boating! Let's go boating! What the fuck is this? Who needs that? You don't need that. I mean, you kind of need that, but like not today. You don't need that either. Hey, there's a windshield. Hold on. Oh, it's broke. Safety first. Woo! Are you getting in here? Oh, see, that's the enticer. Woo! All right, boys. We're gonna go boating. Get in the passenger seat, man! We're gonna get going! Whoa, somebody had a Canadian! Look at that. Somebody's on the same boat we are. Alright, let's see this, let's go! Looked like a diesel for a second there, eh?
Okay, look at his, he's only got one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gremlin DJ Mobile Services. It would be funny if you like blew his transmission right there. We'd be in the same boat. Woo!
Rev it up!
Oh, that clutch slipped hard. Oh shit, here we go again. Oh no, we're done. Oh, yeah. I'm just like out of breath. High five tree. I'll high five the tree. See, I'm an environmentalist. I high five trees. Oh, we're going up. Here we go, boys. Ah, ah, I don't know how, but I hit my thumb there. It's all about soaking it up with the knees. It's all about soaking it up with the knees. I should build a truck jump like right here. Yeah! Send it! Holy fuck, we're set. Oh, I thought he was just gonna fucking floor it. I was so ready for that. There's a hole here! Right there! Holy shit! Yeah! This is what I live for real. If I couldn't do this, like, would it be worth living? I don't think so. I think this is like all it's all about.
Who's riding? Oh
Oh shit! We're good! Stall converter didn't like that! Ooh. Uh-oh. Yo! I don't know about that, that didn't sound right. We may have broke the Dodge, boys. Hey, it's okay, I got a connection for transmissions, man, I'll hook you up. Fucking my SRT just blew a transmission. Fucking $11,000 later, fuck me. Oh, I love my life. I absolutely fucking love my life. If you don't love your life, you need to change what you're doing. If you hate your job, if you like hate the situation you're in, change it. Because I did that about 3-4 years ago, and fuck man, I'm so glad I did. Yeah, it's a blown transmission. Ugh. Ouch. 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 That's what you get for sending it though. Flex it! Oh yeah, look at it. Oh, you suck. That was so much fun.
He's my knee.
Oh, okay. I thought it just like went into limp mode or something. There's a good girl.